the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes.
DJ Baker.
Hey yo!
Well, gotta go cue up the next song. Back in.
Hey, appreciate it.
You got another one in you?
Like a freestyle?
Yeah.
Yo, another one, smoking on the bubble gum. Hey yo man, yo the freestyle flow troublesome, just like Tupac flow. Hip hop, we rock shows. On the block man, hey yo, it's off the top bro. Hey yo man, lights, camera, action, kick back, start relaxing. Entire Texas gang walk on the moon like Michael Jackson. Hey yo, over here we stay slamming. Ganja go boom, like shots from the cannon. Whoa! I fly high in the streets like G7G. Hey yo, don't forget the X. Rest in peace.
Hey. You just said my camera name.
Oh,
holy shit. He was no fucking way. No fucking way. That was wild.
That was fire,
holy
Louis.
shit.
That was fire.
Hey,
oh
bro.
man.
Damn,
Good
nice
shit.
to meet y'all.
What's your name, man?
Nice to meet you too, man.
IFO skate money. Like you spell it like this, you feel me?
IFO skate money, and you got the board too.
Yeah. IFO,
It's fuzzy.
IFO stands for Intelligence from Orion.
Intelligence from Orion. What's Orion?
Orion's the constellation.
Oh, got you.
Yeah, man. You see the movie Men in Black?
Yeah.
Yeah, they was looking for Orion's belt, right? Like, yeah. Hey, nice to meet y'all.
What'd you just say?
I don't have a CD player. I bought a CD.
There's 25 songs in here, bro.
Try my fries. It's Dutch as fuck.
He started a lot pretty. Wait, what's shitty? I thought this was heavier than it was.
I don't know your. I'm gonna give you a Snapchat.
I hope you are enjoying your visit. I am trying to come on.
I saw her walk out.
By now, you know that my...
Hey, wist je niet dat je aan het werk was?
Turn your glass around and look your bear straight in the eyes. Yeah? Eye contact is key. Look your bear in the eyes and say, I love you.
I love you.
On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3.
Gross.
Alright. Now guys, take a big sip and enjoy that beer as much you can. Go inside, dog.
I met that girl right up at my show. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes into it more.
Rampage, bitch!
Minutes into it.
1, 2, 3.